entering into the basement right now. So here's what's going on down here. Oops. The light, all right, they're all on. So as you can see, thieves came in and stole the copper. Now they moved the whole boiler off of the cinder blocks. And there was a separate holding tank for the water that came off of the boiler, and they obviously ransacked that too. So it seems there were 4 zones. There were 4 zones, and one of the zones went to the water tank. So it's a little hard to follow where it came from exactly, but you have a bunch of pipes here that are pulled out. They went all along this way. They cut out some domestic water. Seems like this is a hot and a cold towards the kitchen sink. And here there are 3 hangers. I probably had 3 or 4 copper pipes going here, and they probably looped off. Here you see they're all cut off. They were looped off to the radiators, either first or second floor, and so forth. Here again, over here, you see there was a T. Went upstairs, and here's the other one. Here's our supply and return. They cut it through this, and at this point, they cut some more over here as well. Not sure where that went to exactly. That's pretty much it. Cut some more over here. I think that's it for the cutting of the copper. Not that much damage. Right here was a little bit up here in the ceiling. You try to bend it, but it doesn't seem like they actually got it. So we'd probably need to put in a new boiler, and I'd put in a separate hot water tank right there. Thinking of doing a 95 efficient one. Not sure where to vent it out from exactly. Either from the side of the house, the back of the house, or just to go back into the chimney with a conventional 85 efficient boiler. This is a Well-McLean oil. I'd like to convert to gas. As you can see, there is a gas line coming into the house from right there. It comes in at 3/4, and it goes directly to the gas stove on the first floor. I would turn that off and put a manifold right here and come out with a line to the boiler, a line to the hot water tank, and a line for the dryer with flex hose. Thank you.